people. This is... Why'd you put your cell phone on my shoulder? What did you do? Take it off. I don't want you to put your cell phone on my shoulder. It's not funny. Take it off. No, it's heavy. It's heavy. Was it, see? Heavy cell phone on your shoulder.
It is heavy. Why is it heavy?
I don't know why it's heavy.
It feels heavy.
It feels heavy.
It feels heavy.
You have very fuzzy hair. When I touch your hair, you burp. Wait, do it again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Touch your hair. Oh, when I touch your hair, you burp. When I touch his hair, he burps. Ah! It's like a burp button.